Hi guys, welcome to the video. So you can see my angel wires aren't working now. Turned out it was new bulbs I bought. This is now my third set of bulbs. Got these ones, I put a link and a thing so you can see where I got them from. But this is the style you're going to need on the LCI version. So it's got a short front end on it, not like the long ones that I did get, which I thought were for this car. So here we can see they're now installed. Horrible fiddly little job, I must admit, and obviously you've got to take the headlight out. I've got videos on that as well, so feel free to have a look. It's quite easy, just fiddly really. So but well pleased, nice and bright, not like other ones out there, for a standard bulb without doing the conversion for the headlight. So there you can see just down there in front of my finger, lighting's not very good, that's the new bulb. So I had to remove this one, very fiddly trying to get all this in, and had to take the whole headlight out for movability and stuff. So there you can see it's fully removed. And that bulb, you can just see the little lines on the top of it there. Let's try and put the light on. Oh, there you go, much better. So yeah, there it is. Screws into that silver thing. Second one went in really easy, don't know how, but it did. First one was a nightmare. So I will line it back up, plug it in and test it before fitting. Yeah, there you go, all tested, so working nicely. I do need to clean the light lenses, just buff them up, make a big difference. Same for the other side. Yeah, check it out, check out the other videos, and thanks for watching.